You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. The Unicorn Hybrid Black EEG device is a cutting-edge tool that reads your brainwaves and translates them into commands. What if you could control a car in your game just by thinking? Let's turn that fantasy into a fun project. Today, we're diving into Unity to create a car game that you control using the Unicorn Hybrid Black EEG device. First, fire up Unity and create a new 3D project. Import your car assets or grab some from the asset store. Next, set up your scene with a simple track or terrain. Now here's the cool part, integrating the Unicorn Hybrid Black. Download the SDK from their website and import it into Unity. Create a new script to read the EEG data. Map these signals to your car's controls. Want to make your car move forward? Think forward. Want to turn? Just steer with your mind. Test your setup and tweak the sensitivity to match your brainwaves. And there you have it. You're now driving with your thoughts.